The following contest is a tornado tag team match. Introducing first, from Kobe, Japan, weighing in at 187 pounds, North, Zach Van.
This competitor is just way too aggressive. They need to do some breathing exercises or something. Unlock the inner peace.
I'm a little surprised to hear that from you, Corey. You endorse anyone who brings a little animosity to the ring.
Well, maybe, sometimes I do, but this is too much. They should dial it back. Do some yoga. A very high-pressure situation ahead for this guy, but he is more than ready for it. This is going to be good.
And his partner, from Japan, weighing in at 239 pounds, Dangerous K.
One of the most dangerous and threatening individuals in all WWE.
On that, we can agree, Cole.
The WWE Universe doesn't sound like they agree.
Well, they also don't sound like they have two brain cells to rub together between the thousands of them, Saxton.
That's not nice.
This is gonna be good.
And at a combined weight of 547 pounds.
Gentlemen, this has all the makings of an all-time classic match, and I fully expect it to deliver on that promise.
And we have a tornado tag team match. Here's what that means. Everyone is legal and no tags are necessary.
What it means is we are all in for a hell of a brawl here.
And here's a cover. Oh, tossed aside. Still no end in sight here. He is revving up the engine. He's not going to let anything stop him. Oh, really just laying it in.
Brutal stomp to the body, and just getting started. Look at this brutality.
This is how you torture your opponent.
Oh my God, this is hard to watch.
That'll have you walking funny.
Both wrists captured and
And he goes for the pin. And a shoulder in the air.
He's not even close to being done yet.
He's one step ahead there.
Sharp punch.
first one missed, second one didn't.
Effective.
Shoulders down, this could be it.
Oof.
And shoulders up before a count of one.
I suppose you have to take the shot, but it's still too early to wrap up this one just yet. Moonsault.
And into the count.
Nowhere to go, being victimized. He thought he had it. More time, he stands. Moved at the right time.
Foot to the midsection. Oh, geez. Nasty kick to the face. Punch right in the head.
Kicks to the back. Clutching the wrist. just absolutely punishing their opponent here, relentlessly.
Uh-oh. Suplex, and there's the cover. He keeps his team in the match. Boom.
Look at him totally vibing with the WWE Universe right now.
He's begging him to get up so he can put him back down. All the way up. And the cover for the win. Come on, count along if you want. The 10 beats of the veteran.
Shot after shot after shot. Good grief.
And he's taking this to the outside now. Great wherewithal on the counter. Oof. Suplex, here it comes. Nicely done. Boom. Elbow drop right on point.
Drops the knee. The adrenaline is pumping, and the WWE Universe is on his side.
And it's reverse pain for that mistake. He's got the answer for that one.
He's staring his opponent down, getting into that zone.
Heads out, and he has all the time.
Oh no, getting in position. What's he planning to do here?
Neckbreaker.
Now taking control.
Well, this isn't going to win the fall, but it's going to do a lot of damage. Looking for the back suplex.
In trouble here.
A couple of elbows to the jaw, and that'll break things up. Makes it incredibly difficult to walk. He is just reeling from that offense.
He'll take things into the ring.
Oh, what a knee lift. Somebody better check his nose. And this one might be headed ringside. Comes back into the ring. Oh, my gosh. Terminating knee smash. And strikes. Rights and lefts, elbows, knees, all of them lethal.
And now he's giving you all another chance to simply take it all in.
Flat one. Man, face first. He's got rid of pin. This could be it. No, stops the count at 2.
I am in shock. What's it going to take to keep this guy down?
Scooped up.
Look out.
Michinoku driver. Well, this could do it. Drops the hammer.
Right on the lower back.
And still in this.
Both competitors digging deep into their well to keep this match going.
Foot, meet face.
I think we are witnessing a career-altering moment for these superstars, guys.
But the spoils will only go to the victor, and I have a feeling we're close to finding out exactly who that will be.
He's getting pushed down into the defensive. Good timing.
This could be big.
He had it scouted. And more attacks on his court. He may get the 3 count right here.
I think so.
Oh, and he just kicked out.
I thought for sure this thing was wrapped up.
Well, stay in your seat. Looks like we've got a ways to go yet.
Throwing and a double axe handle smash. Boom, right across the small of the back.
And a big boom. From the top. And somehow through the pain, he is still holding the line in this match.
He's so persistent, keeps bringing the fight with no remorse.
And seamlessly submission. After everything, I thought they had it won. For the pin and the win.
Yes.
Here he goes for the win.
Can he close it out?
1, 2. And he fights it off. I cannot believe what I'm seeing right now.
No one can.
Uh-oh, look at what are they going to do? Oh, right right to the face. Right to the back of the neck.
And again.
Enough.
Just a beat down. He wants it one more time.
Strong touch.
Can it be capitalized on?
Makes the cover. 2, 3. Finally, monumental victory.
Here are your winners.
And these two really do make the perfect pair.
I was barely in my seat for most of this one. This team put on a tremendous show.